Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and we have an unboxing video from Maggards today. So let me get my knife out. Open the sucker up, see what we got in there. More samples, of course, for showing you guys on my sample videos. Here we go. Let's see here. Peanuts. Lots of peanuts. Take the bags out. Oh, they separated it nicely between... I've got a little bag inside of soaps and a bag inside of aftershaves. So very nice. So let's see here what I've got. Oh, let's see. I'm trying to take everything out. There we go. Come on. There's the aftershaves out. Oops. Fall in the sink. It got wet. Let me just wipe that one off. That one's going to stay with me. So let me get glasses on so I can match these up and show you. There we go. That. Let's see here. Now let's get this. I can tell by colors it's some match. Okay, so what's this pink one? That's pink. Oh, that's BY. Okay. Oh no, that's different. That's not what I thought it was. But yeah, the color. Okay, cool. All right, so there's that. And do I have something to match this? I do not. Oh, these are so hard to see. I can't even see what they are. That's tiny. That's tiny, guys. Okay. Sorry, some of these are going to be a bear. And I know I matched these up when I was purchasing them. Yeah, that goes with that. Tiny, that must go with this. And that means this goes with this, I guess. I can't tell. We'll find out in a minute. Okay, so let me show you. I've got 5 things. Oh no, this goes with this. Okay, sorry, I just found a mix. There we go. All right, I got them squared away now. So here we go. Here's the first 2 that I've matched up. I can't read it. I'm sorry. It's just way too small. I'll get magnifying glass out before I actually post these on the video so I can tell you what it is. Wouldn't do any good to give you a sample video and not know what the soap is, so you don't know what to try. This is one I really like. This is Maggards house brand, lime and bergamot. Like that one a lot. And I matched it with this is a little Clubland citrus. You've seen Clubland citrus before. I get it repeatedly. It's one I think I like. So I'm hoping you guys like too. So I throw it out there for a sample. The one I wanted to get for a sample they didn't have was the Maryland soap. You've seen I had a soap, but the aftershave because they came, But when I went to go buy that, they were out of stock of the aftershave. So when the aftershave comes back in, then I'll buy a sample of each, and we'll do this just so I can give that away. Let's see here. Next one is George F. Trumper's Rose, and this is coral skin food. It's supposed to be a match to that. Curious, does it smell? Yeah, it smells like rose. I just thought it was odd they made it a different name, but yeah, it's definitely rose scent for the aftershave. Next is who's brand is Captain's Choice Italia and matching aftershave. Coming into the summer months, getting more spring, summery, fresh, fruities type of things. The last one is, I've never tried this one before that I can tell if it's, who is this manufacturer? I can't see it. Castle Forbes. Castle Forbes, $14.45, and an aftershave I think is supposed to match with that as well. So yeah, so those are the 5 soap and matching aftershaves I got. And of course, they'll all be going into the giveaway for my next giveaway. Just stacking them up. I'm just stocking up stuff now for as I show you these samples. I use them once, and then they go into into a pile for giveaways. So y'all can try them too. That's the whole idea. Is I'll try them once, and then you try them, and you can share them too with other people. That's kind of the whole idea, is to share them. Share them with you. You share them with others, and everybody gets to try new stuff. So that's my philosophy. Just having fun with that with samples. So yes, so I've got 5 weeks worth there. Obviously another month I'll have to buy some more. Now I am thinking to make it easier on me is to no more aftershaves after this batch. Probably not going to do aftershaves anymore because I can't ship them to the overseas winners. So then I of course have to do another giveaway for domestic only to give the aftershaves away. So I probably am going to stop with the aftershaves. So any sample aftershaves you see me use, probably just going to keep them myself or give them away locally, just because it's just easier on me and less of a hassle. So that's probably what I was thinking. But anywho, we got some aftershaves here and some mentioned with some soaps. So hope you look forward to seeing those in the coming weeks. I do have another soap I'm expecting in Wednesday. I think my Amazon order said Wednesday for that soap. So I didn't get that from Maggards. I got a tube of something coming, so I'll show you that because that's kind of really what I want to use for this coming week is that. But these will be, of course, good old Maggards. They sent me all these samples. Awesome Maggards. I love it. As long as they keep doing it, I'm going to keep buying them and showing you guys. And I do have another box coming too from Sterling. That will have some samples as well. So yeah, I kind of double. I did some from here, some from Sterling too, because good old classic Sterling too. Love that stuff. So hope you guys are enjoying this and appreciate the effort going into all these samples to show you and share with you. And with that, go with God.